Hey guys, you may have seen videos like this that solves the Rubik's Cube by doing just two layers. Okay, so they just continue to do this and they solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so there's a trick out here, there's a secret out here which I want to tell you, and also I also want to experiment new things today. Okay, so I'm in a mood of experimenting and let's do. Okay, so first let's solve this Rubik's Cube by just doing this. Okay, so right left right left right left. Okay, so let's continue to do this. Okay, so and let's see if it gets solved. Okay, so there are videos which says do this for this month 63 times or 17 times and solve it. Okay, so actually what they do is they just repeat the same thing continuously and they solve it this way. Okay, so now the trick is that whichever layer you continue, whichever move you do, once you repeat for certain times you can solve it. Okay, so it's not the way to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so first of all what we do is that's to trick your friends in parties, etc. Okay, so let's learn about it. Okay, so you can see you know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so if you do not know, please go and watch my previous videos. Okay, I have a lot of videos on how to solve the first layer, the second layer, the third layer, the whole layer. I have given tricks to solve Rubik's Cube faster. And guys, before that, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so you guys are watching my videos, I'm very thankful for your support, but please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, now okay, so we have learned the right algorithm, the left algorithm. Okay, so let's do the right algorithm. Okay, so what happens if we continue doing the right algorithm? Okay, so we solve it again we solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so we just have to do it 6 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times. Okay, in 6 times we solve it. Let's do the left algorithm. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times and 6 times. Okay, so in 6 times it gets back to its normal form. Okay, so don't get confused when people just try to when you watch videos saying you just do it 17 times and you can solve it. Okay, so actually they solve the Rubik's Cube and after that they go and make the video. Okay, so let's try with another algorithms that we learned. Okay, so let's do this algorithm. We did it once, so I hope you know which algorithm I'm talking about. Okay, it's there. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Now let's see if it gets solved. Okay, yeah, in 6 times you can solve it. Okay, all these algorithms, but there's this algorithm, the corner algorithm, which we did this. We do not have to do 6 times here. I think in 3 times we can finally do it. Okay, 2 times, yeah, in 3 times we solve the Rubik's Cube back to form. Now let's do an experiment. Okay, so I've not done that. Okay, so I'm doing it right now in this video. I just wanted to see if it works. Okay, so let's do right algorithm once and left algorithm once. Okay, so let's say if we continue doing that, well, let's go and see if this Rubik's Cube again gets solved or not. Okay, so let's do it. Right algorithm once, left algorithm once, right once, left once, right, left, right, left, right, left. So why I'm doing this, I'm trying to see if we can solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, so you can show this trick to your friends. Okay, so if it gets solved, of course. Okay, so I do not know how much times I did it. Okay, but you can just do it and see for yourself. Okay, so you can do by watching this video. Do you think I'll solve it? If you think it will get solved, just comment on this video before watching the entire video. Okay, so and also please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for new tricks, tips on Rubik's Cube and how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, so let's go. So I think I'll do this for ages. This is an experiment, remember. I thought it would get solved, but it's not getting solved, so I'm curious. I'm in tense mood. Yes, you can see working on two different algorithms. We solved the Rubik's Cube, the right and left. Okay, so we solved this Rubik's Cube and we solved it by doing one layer. Okay, so you have to do 6 times. Okay, so you have to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 times to get it back. And if you take if you go and do this algorithm many times, okay, so I think I'll just put how many times you have to do, so that I'll watch my video again and I'll just put it out here. Okay, so you know the trick. Okay, so this is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now this trick has been used by many. Okay, so what they do is they go and do this. Okay, so which we did. Okay, and they start the video from here. Okay, they'll just say do like how many times is left. Okay, so they'll say to continue doing this step and it will get solved. Okay, so they'll just tell, and once you do that, okay, and they'll solve it. Okay, so do the same, guys. I hope you like this video. On the next video I'll show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube in a matter of let's say maximum 30 seconds. Okay, so there's a trick what people do. Okay, so there's a trick what people do to solve a scrambled Rubik's Cube in under 30 seconds. Okay, for that I'll only show that video if I get, I'll do that, I'll show you that method if I get at least 100 likes in this video. Okay, so I just want 100 likes in this video. Thank you and see you on the next one.